Is 2026 a good year to sell a home in Cupertino? In this 4-section video, I'll walk you through the Cupertino 2026 housing market forecast so you can make a confident decision. Hi, I'm Ramesh Rao, a data-driven real estate advisor here in Cupertino and the surrounding Silicon Valley markets. I specialize in helping homeowners understand local home values, pricing strategy, and buyer behavior so they can sell with clarity, not guesswork. Section 1, what's really happening in the Cupertino 2026 housing market? When you hear Cupertino 2026 housing market forecast, the big questions are always the same. Are home prices going up, down, or staying mostly flat? And how long are homes taking to sell? Right now, Cupertino still looks like a low inventory, high demand market driven by top schools, strong jobs, and limited land. Inventory is tight, so well-priced homes continue to attract serious buyers, but the pace is more measured than during the peak frenzy years. Buyers are still out there, but they are more selective and data-driven, especially in the higher price ranges. Section number 2, how buyer behavior in 2026 affects you as a seller. Today's Cupertino buyers are mostly tech professionals and executives, and they research everything before they ever step into a home. They read about the Cupertino 2026 housing market forecast, watch YouTube videos, run online valuations, and compare price per square foot across multiple listings. In 2026, many buyers are looking for move-in ready homes. They're willing to pay for good condition and strong presentation, but they push back on homes that look overpriced or need major work. Interest rates, stock market volatility, and tech employment headlines all influence how quickly they move and how aggressive they feel with offers. So what does this mean if you're asking, should I sell my Cupertino home in 2026? It means that presentation, pricing, and timing all matter more than ever before because buyers are cautious but still ready to act for the right home. Section number 3, is 2026 actually a good year to sell a home in Cupertino? Here's a short answer. For most homeowners who already plan to move in the next 12 to 24 months, 2026 is a solid year to sell a Cupertino home if you prepare the property and price it correctly. Because inventory remains limited, well-prepared and well-priced homes still see strong activity and healthy offers. Where sellers get into trouble is when they ignore the data, overprice the home, or cut corners on preparation and marketing. If you're relocating out of the Bay Area, downsizing, or diversifying your equity out of a single high-value property, using 2026 window can make sense. If you're just testing the market with no real plan and an unrealistic price, 2026 may feel frustrating because buyers are too smart to chase fantasy numbers. Section 4, a simple 4-step decision framework to decide if you should sell your Cupertino home in 2026. Step number 1, clarify your timeline. Are you likely to move in the next 12 to 24 months anyway, or are you just curious? If you already know a move is coming, you're not really asking if you should sell, you're asking when and how to market it. Step number 2, understand your current value in today's Cupertino market. Get a localized, data-driven valuation that looks at recent sales, your price band, and condition, not just a generic online estimate. This will anchor the decision in real numbers rather than estimates. Step number 3, estimate your net proceeds and next move. Look at your likely sales price, subtract selling cost and any prep budget, and compare that to your next home or investment plan. If the numbers line up with your goals, that's a strong sign 2026 can be the right year to sell. Step number 4, plan on a preparation and pricing strategy that matches how buyers behave in 2026. In this market, you want your home to be one of the top 2 or 3 choices for buyers in your price range when you go live. If you're still wondering, is 2026 a good year to sell my Cupertino home? The next best step is a private data-driven consultation. I'll walk you through your home's current value, the 2026 Cupertino housing market forecast for your price band, and a clear plan for timing, preparation, and pricing. If that sounds helpful, reach out using the contact information below, and let's talk about your specific situation. I'm Ramesh Rao, your Cupertino real estate advisor. If you found this helpful, click like, subscribe to the channel, and watch my next video on how to price your Cupertino home by price band in 2026.